Look, I'm not going to dance around the subject for 10 minutes to get my dirty money. I'm just going to tell you what it is. It's a Discord server. The single best resource for learning practically any language is this Discord server called Practice Your Language. That's it. There's a link in the description for it. So I would end the video here, but that's kind of boring. So instead, I'm going to tell you why I like it and how you can use it to help you. When you first enter this Discord server, just fill out the rules. Fill out what languages you're fluent in to teach others and what languages you want to learn. When you do this, options will be available to you according to your language. You will have a Q&A section, a chat, a voice call, and a resource list. The chat is very useful for expanding your vocabulary as a variety of topics are talked about, and also it's great for learning slang in your language. The voice call is an obvious choice for practicing your conversational skills, such as speaking and listening. The Q&A section is perfect for when you have a question and need it reliably answered by a native speaker. And finally, the resource list is great for when you're looking for content in your particular language. Overall, the people in the server are very kind and very eager to teach, which is why I recommend this so highly. I know that I certainly would not be as good at conversing with Brazilians as I am today if it weren't for this resource, which is why I'm very thankful that I know it exists. I highly recommend that you share this resource with somebody else who's learning a language, because I'm sure they would appreciate it as well. Thanks for sticking with me to the end, and I hope you have a fabulous day. Much love. Ciao, ciao.